Hey friends, welcome to the start of a new week. I'm starting my week off with some hydration and some healthy eating. Today I'm going to share a little Walmart and Costco haul that I did today and some awesome finds. And I'm going to be showing you how I prepared my meals for the week. I got some good things to drink, these nuts, these macadamia and some cashew nuts. These are apples and cucumbers and blueberries. They were so good. You see I'm still hydrating. But mostly for my meal prep, I used ingredients that I already had at home. That way I saved money and it helped me stay on track. Part of my glow up plan for this year is to eat healthy and have realistic meals that are full of protein. This week I was able to do just that, and it felt so good to get creative with what I had on hand. Here I made homemade salsa and I made taco salads, but you can totally put your own twist on it and make it work for you. Remember, it's all about balance and eating right and staying active. Here I made a delicious strawberry protein pudding. It was so delicious. If you want to see more in-depth recipes, you can follow me on Instagram. And here I have made salmon and some asparagus and carrots for the meal prep. And here I have some snacks where I put some nuts and cheese and things like that in there. And you can see my salmon and rice and asparagus meal prep. One thing that really motivated me is I read or heard somewhere that losing 1 pound of weight results into like 3 or 4 pounds of pressure being removed from your joints, or it can feel like it's removing 3 or 4 pounds of pressure from your joints. And at 63 years old, sometimes my joints get kind of achy, so that really motivated me. That picture before was the pho that I made, and here is some shrimp and broccoli. Both of these I made with bean sprouts and the rice stick noodles. They are so good and Richard loves them. Here I made a taco salad, and of course we used our homemade salsa on that. And what I'm showing you is that you can repeat your ingredients and use them for different dishes. Like with just one protein source, I cooked the ground beef and I was able to make nachos, taco salad, and pho soup with it. I even had some left to put up in the refrigerator in case somebody wanted to make burritos or tacos or quesadillas with it. I hope everyone has a great weekend and is ready to keep up your healthy eating and kick your week off with some healthy habits and make them all your own. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.